Markets in the day with big spinning tops. My name's D7 here at Grok Trade. It's Wednesday, April 20th, 2016. All major moving averages did squeak into higher territory, so bullish, but banks up quite a bit, up 0.8%. Same for financials, so looking pretty good. Then you have crude oil up 3%. And gold down, and it looks like everybody else up, including the fear indicator. Fear up 0.5% when the markets were up. So that's telling. Take a look here at the S&P 500. This is a spider ETF. And you'll see that we have a higher high, higher low. So we do keep trending higher. But all of us here in trader world are just highly suspect of this new high ground that it's making. 10, 11 month high that we're seeing here in the markets. And if you were paying attention to any news or financial commentators, any gurus out there, you know we are all thinking, wow, it could be a house of cards here. That's what I'm saying. Anyway, spinning top here. Dow up, did get a close above a trend line. It's minor trend line. NASDAQ. What's interesting with the NASDAQ is it's threatening to break down right now. And this is probably my biggest tell. And if I do this, you can see the rising wedge blue lines. Now we're getting a pinching rising wedge, which is not favoring bullish activity. If we get a close below this trend line, that could prove to be fairly damaging here to the markets. Small caps, Russells, spinning top, almost equal highs, not really, but almost a tweezer top. So, man, it just would not surprise me if Thursday and Friday are bearish days. And today, the last hour of the market was brutal. A lot of people selling in the last hour of the market like they did not want to be holding overnight. But banks, what's interesting, is broke over a trend line. Banks very strong. So that's telling me that you cannot bet against the bulls yet. You just can't do it. The markets are heading higher, breaking resistance with the backing of financials. And look at here are the financials. This is XLF. Just a big breakout on volume, gang. That's a bullish move. That very, very bullish move. Crude oil had a nice bullish move, and it broke over a trend line. So it's looking fairly bullish right now. Enough so that I'm going to go ahead and add a green buy arrow now that we've popped up over a resistance point. Now we're still at some resistance areas here, so I like the volume. There's a number of things that I'm liking on this, but we'll see. Gold, I gave a little back, but right at resistance. We showed you this yesterday. Resistance, and sure enough, resistance proving to be an area of a ceiling that it can't get over, at least right now. Silver popped up, but people sold into that strength. So if you are long silver or gold, tighten up your stop losses, look for another re-entry on a pullback, because I think that we have a good chance of going down. Matter of fact, so much so that I'm going to go ahead and put a red arrow there on silver. I'm going to go back to gold. Yeah, I'm going to add that to gold too. So that's what I'm projecting going into the near future with that. And what you guys want to do, go to Grok Trade, click on Trading Mentor, and I don't know if you can drive to Vegas or your plane tickets be a little more expensive, but it will pay for itself over and over again by getting mentored and learning how to trade the right way. It's all about trading with great confidence in the markets and knowing when to get in, what to trade, and how to scale out to maximize profits. Fill out the form. We'll certainly give you the information you need to make a great decision on that. It's my phone, text coming in, and Mark the Meerkat be standing in for me next few days. I will be speaking at the Young Entrepreneur Convention in Des Moines, Iowa. And I'll be one of the keynote speakers. Looking forward to sharing my information on business. Catch up with you all later.